Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Ammar and I am 12 years old. Today, I am going to show you how to make a super cool volcano. These are the materials we need: baking soda, clay with brown color, food coloring with red color, and lastly, vinegar. First, make a volcano like this with clay. Next, put a few spoonfuls of baking soda inside the volcano. Next, pour some food coloring inside the volcano. Now, it's time for the fun part. Pour some vinegar inside the volcano and watch it explode.
Wow!
So cool, right? It's just like a real volcano. I hope you are having fun doing this volcano. If you like this video, please like, subscribe for more fun DIY projects. Thank you for watching. Bye!